Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Fireflies AI and Microsoft OneNote. So you get started with a quick and short comparison review about these two platforms. Fireflies AI is a smart meeting assistant designed to automate note-taking and meeting follow-up. It transcribes meetings in real time, highlights the key point, and lets you search conversations later, perfect for busy teams and individuals who want a reliable ways to capture all the details without manually taking note. It's a powerful tool if you frequently attend meetings and need to stay on top of actions, items, and decisions. Talking about Microsoft Note One or OneNote, on the other hand, is a flexible digital notebook perfect for organizing your thought and information. It lets you combine text, image files, and drawing in free form canvas, making it great for research, education, and personal knowledge management. So if you want a space to jot own ideas or jot down your own ideas, or also to create list or piece together knowledge over time, OneNote might be a best match in 2025. So if you want or you need automated meeting note, go for Fireflies. But if you want a rich, flexible notebook, Note One is hard to beat. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and how you think they can help you automate your work. And that's it.